Good day, everyone. My name is Shona Sandy Walters. I'm in grade 6. I attend the institution of Chandler Spring Primary and Junior High School. I'm 12 years old. When I grow up, I would love to become a scientist. So today, I'm going to demonstrate how I came up with the plan about a fidget spinner. Growing up, I have always liked putting my index finger through the hole of the CD and it would spin all day. One evening after class, I went by the environmental club where other students were creating different things. That evening, I took the CD and glued two of the CD together with a glue gun. Then I took a cork to cover the hole in the CD. Then I tried spinning the CD, but instead of spinning it, it fell on the ground. So I decided to take another buckle cover to cover the other hole in the CD. And I tried again spinning it and it spun continuously. This is the end of my demonstration. Remember to click the bell and subscribe. Bye!